Okay, welcome back. In this video, we're going to use Casio fx5800P in order to solve a quadratic equation. We previously recorded a video that we show 3 ways that we can solve quadratic equations, and we're going to use the calculator to solve the equation. So we're going to start the calculator first by pressing on the AC on button, and if we go to the mode, we'll see that number 8 is equations, and if you press on that, we'll see 4 different types of equation with 2 unknowns, 3 unknowns, 4, and etc. And if we scroll down to the second page, the first equation is a quadratic equation. If we press on 1, have to just substitute the ABC. So A would be what we have, 4x squared. And let's start the equation that we see in here, and we'll have 1 as the coefficient for x squared. Our b will be minus 2, so we're gonna press on execute after entering the number, and c will be what we have, minus 15 as the last number. We're gonna click on the execute, and now we have all the coefficients, and we're gonna get 2 answers for the x. The first one is 5, and the second one is minus 3, which is what we found before. I'm gonna put the link again in the description below on the 3 ways that we can solve the quadratic equation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.